Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best vacuum pump is probably one of the most overlooked components in your vehicle's braking system, but it plays a vital role in ensuring your safety on the road. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of vacuum pumps, exploring their function, the different types available, and what to look for when choosing the right one for your car. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about this essential piece of equipment. Number 5. Lead Brakes Black Bandit Series, BP001B, Vacuum Pump. Introducing the Lead Brakes Black Bandit Series, BP001B, Vacuum Pump. This is a high-performance electric vacuum pump designed for your vehicle. It ensures optimal braking performance. This pump operates 60% quieter than other models. You'll barely notice it's there, providing a more comfortable driving experience. The Black Bandit series is 30% more efficient. This means it uses less power while delivering superior performance, saving you energy. It comes pre-wired and tested on the assembly line. This ensures a trouble-free and easy installation process, saving you time and effort. This vacuum pump is designed for a vehicle-specific fit. It's engineered to integrate seamlessly with your vehicle's existing systems. What we like. This pump is designed for quiet operation, ensuring a more pleasant driving experience. It's also engineered for efficiency, saving energy and extending its lifespan. If you prioritize a hassle-free installation and a quieter ride, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The all-in-one design made installation easy and tidy. Pump provided a little over 21 inches of vacuum. This unit solved that and my brakes work awesome. Number 4. maXpeedingrods 12V Electric Vacuum Pump Kit. This 12V electric vacuum pump operates intermittently, reducing noise. It activates when the vacuum drops to a certain level and turns off when the vacuum reaches a higher level. This design ensures quiet and efficient performance. This pump provides the necessary vacuum for your brake booster. It uses a self-adjusting inline vacuum switch to cycle the pump on and off. It's ideal for cars that don't generate enough vacuum on their own. The kit uses a highly efficient electric pump, relay switch, and distributor with a vacuum switch. These components are designed to work together effectively. This ensures optimal performance for your braking system. Installation is straightforward, as the pump hooks directly to your booster. All wires are pre-cut with terminals installed, and all necessary mounting hardware is included. This makes the installation process easier. maXpeedingrods products are tested for reliability, durability, and performance. If you have any questions, please let us know. We are here to help you with any issues you may encounter. What we like. This pump features an innovative design that minimizes noise, providing a more comfortable driving experience. The self-adjusting vacuum switch ensures optimal performance. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install solution to enhance your braking system, consider this one. What people say. It sucks good just like my ex. Suction is just as it is rated. Kept a constant 25 inches. HG. Unit came with all necessary pieces. Number 3. TMaster 12V Brake Booster Vacuum Pump Kit. Is your brake pedal hard to press? This pump is designed to solve that issue. It provides the necessary vacuum for your brake booster, ensuring optimal braking performance. This pump delivers 25 inches of vacuum, ideal for vehicles with low vacuum. It activates when vacuum drops below 18 inches and turns off when it exceeds 25 inches, ensuring efficient operation. Unlike noisy piston pumps, this rotary vane-style pump operates 60% quieter. You can mount it under the hood or inside the car, enjoying a more peaceful ride. The pump is pre-wired and tested for a hassle-free installation. It's a plug-and-play solution, making setup quick and simple. All necessary hardware is included. The package includes the vacuum pump, tubing, wiring harness, mounting hardware, and instructions. Everything is provided to get you up and running quickly. If you have any installation questions, please contact us. We're here to help with pictures and texts to ensure a smooth installation process. Before purchasing, make sure your vehicle needs this pump. After installation, check all connections for leaks to ensure the pump's longevity and optimal performance. What we like. This pump delivers an impressive 25 inches of vacuum, ensuring optimal brake performance. It's also designed to be quieter and more efficient than other models. If you have an engine that doesn't produce enough vacuum at idle, or if you're looking for a high-performance upgrade, this is the ideal choice. What people say. After a year of use on my '57 Chevy show car, this pump is still going strong. Just fired up the car after a long winter and the brakes worked great. Tested it and found this fixed the issue I was having with my low vacuum at idle 365 Corvette engine. This pump was super easy to install and works great. I did use a 1/16-inch thick piece of rubber between the pump and the fender I mounted it on. Very quiet. Like an electric fuel pump. I can barely hear it with the engine off. It draws down quick to 24 on my gauge. Number 2. Lead Brakes Chrome Bandit Series VP001C. This is the Chrome Bandit Series VP001C from Lead Brakes. It's designed to enhance your vehicle's braking performance. It's a reliable solution for your braking needs. One of the key features is its quiet operation, being 60% quieter than other models. This means less noise and a more comfortable driving experience. You'll barely notice it's there. The VP001C is also 30% more efficient, consuming less power. This efficiency helps to improve the overall performance of your vehicle. It's designed to save energy. This kit comes pre-wired and tested on the assembly line. This ensures a trouble-free and easy installation process. You can get it up and running quickly. The Lead Brakes electric vacuum pump kit is designed for a vehicle-specific fit. This ensures compatibility and optimal performance. It's engineered to integrate seamlessly with your vehicle. What we like. This pump is designed for quiet operation, ensuring a more pleasant driving experience. It's also engineered for efficiency, saving energy and extending its lifespan. If you prioritize a hassle-free installation and a quieter ride, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. My braking has improved 100%, the brakes feel like what a brand new vehicle would feel like. Also, I did a vacuum test and it produced 22 of vacuum. The install was simple but time-consuming due to plumbing the vacuum line and the wiring that comes with the unit. Number 1. Dorman 904-856 Vacuum Pump. Is your vehicle's vacuum system failing? This replacement pump is designed to match the original equipment, ensuring all vacuum-operated functions work as they should. It's a perfect fit for your vehicle. This vacuum pump is constructed with durable, high-quality materials. This ensures reliable performance and a long service life, so you can depend on it for miles to come. Get original equipment performance without the premium price tag. This pump provides a cost-effective solution, offering great value for your money. Each pump undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee a perfect fit and reliable operation. You can be confident in its quality and performance. To ensure this part is compatible with your vehicle, use the garage tool. Simply enter your make, model, and trim level to confirm the perfect fit. What we like. This pump is designed as an ideal replacement, matching the original equipment's fit and function. It's built with durable materials for long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a reliable, cost-effective solution to restore your vacuum-operated functions, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The product was exactly what I needed. The installation was easy and the pump works great. This pump is a perfect fit and works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.